Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. So if you hear a lot of thundering in the background, sorry, it's about to storm here. And this is actually kind of a real-time video. So I am doing it and putting it up as soon as I'm done. So, and also for all of my friends, I have just started my new position as a psychiatric nurse practitioner. I started this week, and this week is training, but this brings me to where now I am going to be able to get back into crafting and getting life organized, because now I'm going to be in a very normal schedule. So super excited. All right, so for today's video, we are going to, this is from someone from TikTok, and her name is, I just had it in my brain, Nina Poole. So I haven't had a chance to go back and watch a bunch of her videos. I'm going to, but I saw this one and I was very interested in it because I have had a thyroidectomy. I get very dry skin because your thyroid, unfortunately controls a lot of things. And when your thyroid is low, it will make your skin dry and flake. And I get very dry skin from it. So I love the L'Occitane shower gel. It is like a shower oil that is also a cleanser. It's very expensive though. It is like $48 for a small container of it. So she has a dupe. She calls them duperoonies. So she has a dupe for making that shower gel. Now you can make it smell however you want. For her, she says to just use the baby wash. This is scent free, and it's just paraben free, dye free, gentle formula, and it is scent free. So you can add whatever scent to this that you want. But I did get, there's a lot of different oils that you can use. This is from Walmart. It's like $7. It's the Palmer's. This is shea butter formula, and it is vanilla scent. So I got this so that this would be more of a vanilla scent. So this container, this is $1. It's from IKEA. It is a glass container, super pretty. So I thought this would be the perfect container to use for this. Yeah, I was going to say, does the bottom not go? But yeah, it goes down. Okay. So basically, what she's saying is that you just use half of whatever oil you want. Now, there is a scent-free Walmart brand that is $3.93, something like that. This is $1.50. So this one was like $7, $1.50. So under $10, and this is enough to make probably, 2 of what you would spend $48 for. All right. So it is half and half. So we are going to go about half full with the oil. I feel like I might have put a little too much. All right, so we'll go about half full with the oil, and then we will add the baby soap to it. And we'll do about half. Maybe I'll add a little bit more oil. I guess I shouldn't have needed to put it. And then you will, because it's oil and soap. The oil is always going to rise, so you'll have to shake it, you know, when you use it, which is expected. Just going to mix it up, and then I want to see how it smells. So the whole idea with this and with the octane, it leaves your skin like nice and smooth, so it has a nice oil to it, but it also is a body wash. So you can have a body wash that leaves you nice and smooth, but not super oily because it is a body wash. So we'll see how this, I'm gonna smell. Oh yeah, this smells really good. Okay, this smells really good like this. So I'm gonna just turn you towards the sink. Let's just see how this, ooh. So that is a nice cleaning. Oh yeah, okay. This definitely works just as well as the La Octane. It is very moisturizing. Yeah. Okay, so I am going to tell you that, yeah, this is a good dupe. And my skin feels really good, but it's not oily. Okay, yeah. So this is good. So I could easily make 2 with this, and probably 2 in it. Oh, let me turn this around. Probably at least 2.5 of these. And that's for under $10. Just taking off this little sticker. And then I could probably, you know, use my Cricut and make myself a nice little tag for it. But yeah, this is really good. So this is definitely a good dupe. So, all right, listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. I hope that this is helpful. I will definitely be using this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I will put up the video of my completed room. So, all right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.